On the top cover of the CryoPro, you find the security relief valve. You may hear a hissing sound from this valve. The security relief valve is venting all the time because the gas is kept under pressure in the bottle. If the bottle is being held in a tilted position, the gas must escape through the relief valve, so the fact you hear the hissing sound from the valve, it means the valve is working. If you have more CryoPro devices, you may find that the sound can differ from one cryo to another cryo. This is completely normal and not a sign of a leaking issue. It has to be like that.